let's see how this works. Try out the new audio source. Wired in a microphone since the Sena Audio Bluetooth Pack didn't really work that well. I'm sure it would work better with a actual Sena headset, but not so much with the Scala. Just hoping to cut down on most of the wind noise that I've been getting for years. Jump on the highway real quick just to see what the wind sounds like. Oh, no 7th gear, I guess. Alright, we're coming up on about 140 now. I don't know if my voice is still going to be able to be heard, but I don't really care too much about that. Just more interested in not being deafened by wind noise. And I love the brakes on this bike. No maintenance. Never have to bleed them or anything like that, and they're always rock solid. Out roaming around on the wife's bike today. Mostly just because of that. It's a little bit louder than mine with the stock pipes on it. Man, that Christmas tree is still up there. A little brown now. The Sena did a decent job of picking up my voice, but I don't really care about that. I rolled this thing over 29,000 in this short little ride. That's like 19,000 kilometers on this thing since we got it. Most of them all put on by Tracy.